Hey there, it's September 10th and I'm gonna plant some fall seeds. So I've got broccoli, beets, basil, Swiss chard, and spinach. So most of them are cool weather crops except for the basil. That's my little experiment, see if we get anything out of it. I've got my bed prepped. Got a little space here, and I got another space over there. They're very fine seeds, so they don't need to be planted deep. So here we go. I'm gonna do the basil, the broccoli, and the Swiss chard. These are from 2024, these seeds, so they're really fresh. And as you can see, they're really tiny, so we're just gonna seed them right onto the surface. And the brock. Again, a very fine seed. More seed than I need, but hey. And Swiss chard, and Swiss chard loves to grow in the fall. So we'll have no problem with that. And we do this, get a little good seed contact. And we'll do beets, a little more Swiss chard, and some spinach. Spinach seeds are actually rather large in comparison with a lot of other seeds that we are planting today. You want to make sure you have good soil contact.